Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to receive USDT on your Revolut account. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe, and in case you haven't created the Revolut account yet, you can scroll down till you see the link in the description to sign up with a referral link and it will give you a bonus once you do that. Now, all you have to do is go to your crypto section on your Revolut application, and then from here, as you can see a big button that says receive. Click on it. And then from here, it will list you multiple currencies that you would like to select from. So search for USDT, just like this on the search bar. And then once you click on it, it will show you the address that you're going to copy to your other wallet. It's hidden because Revolut doesn't allow for privacy issues. Once you copy it, you're going to exit the application. And then from here, select whatever other wallet that you would like to send from. So for example, currently we are on Solana. Currently we are on Phantom Wallet. Just always make sure that you have some Solana in your storage because you need Solana to transfer any type of currency outside your wallet. And then from here, all you have to do is click on USDT. And then from here, click on Send. And then from here, you're going to paste the address that you just copied from your Revolut account. And then once you paste it right here, it's going to ask you for however much USDT you would like to send. So for example, if I want to send $1, and then from here, click on Next. And then from here, it will show you that it's going to send it and verify it. And once you click on Send, it will send directly to your Revolut easily. And then simply you go back to your Revolut account. And then once you refresh this page, it will show the transaction and the amount reached to your balance. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.